Okay, in these final examples, we're going to look at how we can use scale factor with different special segments in a triangle, such as altitudes or medians. If we look at this carefully, we want to find the length of PS. We know that PY is equal to 20, and we know that these two triangles are similar. So we can write the scale factor one of two ways. If we look at it, this is a perpendicular bisector, this is also a perpendicular bisector. So if we wanted to, we could write 6 over 8, or we could write 6 plus 6 gives me 12, and 8 plus 8 gives me 16. In either case, my scale factor, if I reduce this or reduce this, my scale factor is going to be 3 to 4. Now, if I want to know the length of PS, I wrote it as small to big here, so I can say that 3 to 4 is equal to PS over 20. And if we cross multiply this, we get 4 times PS is equal to 60. Dividing both sides by 4, we get PS is equal to 15. So again, we find the scale factor. They did it with 12 over 16, but that reduces to 3 over 4. And then we're going to write this proportion. 3 over 4 equals PS over PY. We substitute in 20. We cross multiply and solve. We get PS equals 15. And similarly, we can do this for medians. If you notice, these two sides should be 48 here, and these two should be 40. So if we wanted to, really, we could just write the scale factor is equal to 40 over 48. If we divide both top and bottom by 8, we get 5 over 6. And we can then say that 5 over 6, where this is 40 and this is 48, equals 35 over x. Let's not use x, let's use km, where km is what we want to find. We have 5 times km is equal to, I'm going to write 6 times 35 because it's easier to simplify that way. Dividing both sides by 5, those cancel. Here we get 5, and this becomes 1 and 7. If we divide both of those by 5, we get km is equal to 6 times 7, which is 42. And we're done there. Thank you.